Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Pipedrive pipeline stages and automations easy tutorial step by step clearly. To verify your Pipedrive pipeline stages, start by logging into your Pipedrive account. Navigate to the pipeline section from the main dashboard. Select the specific pipeline you want to verify. Look for the Stages tab within the pipeline settings. Review each stage to ensure it aligns with your sales process. Check the order of the stages to confirm they are sequenced correctly. Next, click on the Automations tab in the settings. Explore existing automations linked to each stage. Make sure the automations trigger under the right conditions. Test each automation by simulating a real sales scenario. Observe if the automations perform as expected when the stage changes. Make note of any discrepancies or issues you encounter. To fix an automation, click on the specific automation rule. Edit the conditions and actions as necessary to optimize functionality. After making changes, be sure to save your updates. Return to the pipeline to confirm all changes are successfully implemented. Conduct additional tests to ensure the automations are fully operational. Finally, document any important observations for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.